far as BJP's call for a 12-hour Bandh is concerned, many of the Karyakartas that were stopped at the Balagarh station in Howrah as the BJP that is upping the ante, calling for a 12-hour strike in West Bengal to protest against the police action on a march to the state secretariat Nabana over the rape and murder of a 31-year-old trainee doctor at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. As the BJP has been saying that they were forced to give this call for a general strike, as according to them, the autocratic regime is turning deaf ear to the voices of people and the demand for justice for the deceased doctor as well. Let's in the meantime get you another round of breaking update which is coming in from Malda, where clashes that has been reported between the Karyakartas of the TMC and the BJP. This is right after BJP's 12-hour Bandh call that was given. We are getting pictures that are coming in from Malda. We have Tapas with us right now. Tapas, yesterday was hours long as far as the student activists taking out the Nabana Abhiyan, the rally. Today we are looking at the 12-hour Bandh call given by the BJP. Several pockets where violence that has been reported. If you can explain to us the pictures coming in from Malda.
Well, see, in old Malda, we had seen that the BJP and the Trinamool supporters got into a scuffle. It was basically the BJP had taken out a rally in old Malda, but protesting against the Bandh, the Trinamool Congress also hit the street, and both the party workers came face to face, and there was scuffle. They laid hand on each other, but police were were escorting both the rallies, intervened into it and removed it. But for some time, the situation went ugly, but intervention of the police stopped both the party workers from indulging any kind of violence, and more forces have been deployed there. And I am standing right now here in Kolkata, and the Esplanade area, known to be the heart of Kolkata. I'll show you the picture behind me. The road in this time or in this hour of the day remains to be very busy. There are hundreds of vehicles that generally used to ply. People come on road, but this time after a long time we are witnessing less number of vehicles plying, less number of people on road today, and police have been adequately deployed in and around this area. This is this scenario of entire Kolkata as far as city Kolkata is concerned. People are a little apprehensive given the protests that we had witnessed yesterday. The kind of clashes broke out, and that the high drama that went till evening yesterday outside Lal Bazaar Police Headquarters. Today 12-hour Bandh is called by the BJP. The BJP leadership is already on ground in different places across the state of West Bengal to make this Bandh a success. But on the other hand, the state government have categorically stated that they do not endorse to such a strike. So here in Kolkata, we are seeing some private buses flying, but those are empty buses, more or less what we can witness. More government buses have been deployed today to fly between different routes. But overall, the number of crowd that we usually are habituated to see at this hour of the day in these areas, now it's very evident that Bandh is having some kind of effect here in city Kolkata. There are reports coming in from North Bengal, Alipurduar, North Dinajpur, Siliguri, and also from Malda, Murshidabad, in Howrah. There have been several attempts to block roads, to block the railway tracks. So, the BJP Karyakartas and leadership are on the field very early in the morning.
Given by the BJP clashes in certain areas that have been reported. We also have Sabyasachi joining us right now. Sabyasachi, are we looking at the effect of the Bandh call that has been made by the BJP on ground?
Well, there is some sort of traffic movement here. Right now we are reporting from Goriahat More at 10 a.m. Former Member of Parliament Rupa Ganguly is expected to carry out a protest. Meanwhile, there is heavy deployment of Kolkata police as well, who are standing right in front of the Goriahat More to stop any sort of protest from the BJP side. Meanwhile, the shops here at Goriahat More are closed as of now. These particular shops, they open a little late at around 11-12. So that time we'll get to know whether the Bandh effect could be seen at Goriahat More or not. But as far as the traffic is concerned, clearly there is a little less traffic as compared to the normal weekday days. People are a little apprehensive as far as yesterday's situation that could be seen in different locations in Chatragachi, in Howrah,
right.
how the clashes broke out between the protesters and the Kolkata police. So
right.
that impact could be seen
So
today
pictures
as
as somewhat effect that is now coming on the ground of the Bandh call that has been given by the BJP. Of course, Tapas and Sabyasachi getting us the updates there. Let's also talk about condemning the police action on the protesters. The president of BJP's Bengal unit, which has called for a 12-hour-long general strike, as the party which is demanding the release of those protesters who were detained by the police yesterday.